Which vitamin is fat-soluble? Vitamin A. The study of the form and structure of organisms is called morphology. What type of muscle is under voluntary control? Skeletal. What is the name of the first cloned sheep? Dolly. What organ allows fish to breathe underwater? Gills. What is the longest bone in the human body? Femur. The arrangement of leaves on a plant stem is called phyllotaxy. How many compartments does a cow's stomach have? Four. What is the botanical name of jackfruit? Artocarpus heterophyllus. What type of skeleton do insects have? Exoskeleton. What type of fruit is coconut? Drupe. Which of the following animals is commonly used for testing medicines? Mice.